Today, I want to talk about my own personal self-development journey over the last 1.5 years. I want to show you with proof how I owned that agenda and how you can own yours. For those of you that have been following me for the past 18 months on my YouTube channel will have seen my very first YouTube videos, and you will have known exactly how awful they were. My ability to communicate on camera was atrocious, and it's something that working towards this YouTube channel is something that I've been looking to improve. The number one reason for me starting my YouTube channel was to improve my own communication ability and my own presentation style. My career has spanned a little over 6 years since I left university, and I've heard on a number of occasions of individuals complaining that they are unable or not given enough opportunity to practice their communication and their presentation skills. And because of that, and also not having the opportunity very regularly to improve on my own, I decided to start up this very YouTube channel because I figured that if I could talk to the camera, then I could talk to a real life human being. And I have been waiting for that one very moment for me to demonstrate my presentation and communication skills. And that time came about yesterday. In the start of the new year, I started my new role as a financial business partner. And as part of this, it meant that I would have exposure to more senior directors within the business. And it was no surprise that a little over 2 months into my role, I had my first opportunity just on Friday last week to present to the senior directors. And on this call were a team of senior directors and management, by far the most senior level of employee that I have ever presented to. So to cut a long story short, I found myself, as I expected to be, very nervous before going on to this call. However, I started to talk and instantly I felt at ease, a level of ease that I've never felt before. Halfway through me presenting, I felt so relaxed and at ease that my mind drifted into thinking about my YouTube journey and how beneficial that YouTube experience that I've gained has been to my career and this opportunity that I now have. I finished that presentation. It went incredibly well. I had feedback from my colleagues, from senior leadership and my manager to say that I quote, done an awesome, in capital letters, job. I'm not here telling you about this today because I want to boast about how well it's gone for me. I'm telling this to you today so that you can understand that your personal and professional development agenda is for you to own. This will not be owned by somebody else. This is for you. So on the back of this video today, I want you to have a brainstorm and have a think about your weaknesses. And I want you to have a think about how you can improve those weaknesses. I want you to think about skills that you want to develop. They might not be a weakness, but you might want to make them better. Have a think about how you can develop those skills. Set a plan out about how you're going to do it. So if I take a look at my journey, I knew that my communication ability to senior leadership wasn't up to the standard that I wanted it to be. So I identified a way in starting a YouTube channel that could help me to improve that. Because I knew if I could talk to a camera, then I could talk to an individual. I have had 18 months of solid work, and I can tell you now, my videos do not take anywhere near as many cuts to film as they did when I first started on my new YouTube journey. I have seen the rewards of the hard work that I've put in, and they're lifelong lessons and lifelong skills that won't just vanish and disappear. They're going to benefit me for the rest of my life. Self-development is a continuous journey. Do not see self-development as going to school, passing your exams, going to university, passing your exams, and then being done with self-development. Self-development is a lifelong journey. Take it under your wing. Own your own agenda. Improve your ability. And I can assure you that developing your ability and showcasing your improved skills will enable you, if your goal is like mine, to progress through your organisation into management and senior leadership positions. I hope you found that useful today. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.